Hey guys, Nish this side. So in this video, we are going to be speaking about that how much money should you be starting with if you want to build an e-commerce, dropshipping or print-on-demand business. The answer is that when you start with an e-commerce print-on-demand business, you should ideally be keeping around 30,000 rupees for the first month for Facebook ads, because Facebook is the most scalable, targeted traffic sources that we have available on the internet, and people are making a killing with Facebook ads. In fact, we've had the best results in our own e-commerce businesses with Facebook ads itself. So I would say that you should keep a budget of around 30,000 for Facebook ads and 10,000 more for your product research, for getting the designs made, getting the videos made, like whatever promotions you're going to be doing. You're going to be needing either videos for it, the products that you're going to be promoting, or you're going to be needing designs for if you're going to be selling t-shirts or whatever you're doing. It could be less than 10,000 or more than that, but the average here is going to be 30,000 for Facebook ads and 10,000 for everything else, including Shopify fees as well. Shopify is the e-commerce platform that you're going to be using. So in total, that's 40,000 rupees for the first month. Now, when you spend 40,000 rupees, you can also, you can definitely expect to make back sales in return. And whatever you make, you're going to be reinvesting in the business. Now, assuming that you are going to be reinvesting all of that, you could reinvest the money the next month as well. All right. So the average, I would say, is going to be 40,000 rupees for the first month. In the second month, it could be lesser than that. It could also be the 40,000 again the next month. I'm being very, very honest and straight with you. If you really want to get into the business, if you're really serious about building it, get started with at least 40,000 rupees for the first month. And then if you make sales, you can definitely reinvest in the business, and you might not need to put in any more money the second month. But if you don't get things right, if you're not able to make sales back, if you're not able to get profitable on the level of the sales that you make, you might have to put in more money the next month. That's how e-commerce and dropshipping works. In fact, that's how any business works. All right. So yes, that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.